How to enable haptics and vibration in silent mode in Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. In this video we're going to learn how we can enable the haptics and vibration mode in Android device. So let's look out for how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So in order to do that, head over to the main settings of a device. The settings may vary from device to device. For example, for now I'm using a Samsung phone. So if you are on a Samsung device, head over to the sounds and vibration settings, which you can find it very easily on the second option. And you're gonna first of all turn on this notification called vibrate while ringing. So you're gonna turn on this option even if you are on sound or if you are not mute right now. Just make sure you have turned on this option. And after that is done, you can find this mute section. Just enable this option, and when you are mute, you'll be finding even though your phone might be mute, you'll be receiving a call and having a vibration on your phone. And apart from that, if you want other vibration settings here, you're gonna scroll down and here you're able to find this option called system sound and vibration control. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding this vibration settings here. Vibration settings menu here, you're gonna look out for this option and enable each and every option so that even if your phone is on silent mode, you'll be receiving notifications on vibration. So that's how you basically turn on your vibration on and haptic mode on your Android device if you are basically on a Samsung phone for this particular video. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.